we're going to be building an agent inside of Claude Code. This agent is going to probably be able to scrape information about different addresses off Zillow. Okay, so I'm doing this for one of my students in school, in my school community. He didn't clarify exactly what he's trying to do. So if you join my school community, I will help you, like, be able to customize a personal build or whatever you want to do. But so he didn't really clarify. So I'm making this tutorial for him, but I didn't really get the clarification of what exactly he was trying to do. So I'm just gonna kind of free ball it, just make whatever I think kind of similar, and then just go from there. So the first thing you want to do is, if you don't have Claude Code, you're going to want to go install it. So all that is in one of my previous videos, how to sign up with Claude Code, how to install it onto VS Code. Right now I'm working inside of VS Code, so all that's in a previous video. If y'all have any questions, just go back and watch that. So let's go ahead and get started, right? So he's saying the first thing we're going to do is put it in plan mode, okay? So we're going to say, can you create some type of workflow that scrapes leads from, or not leads, scrapes different addresses on Zillow and public records and compares prices? I don't actually know what he's wanting to do with this, so I couldn't really, I can't really say what the goal is, but I'm just saying compare prices, okay? If you're any type of real estate business or any type of business that's needing help with any type of automation, just join my school community and DM me to work, or just comment on this video, business, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so now once we're in plan mode, it's going to ask us questions on what we want to do here. So I'm just gonna say find investment deals, because I'm not really sure what his goal is of this. Let's see, what should we do? Let's do this. We'll just do both. Okay, so that's what's the great thing about why you want to put it in plan mode, is when you're actually developing or brainstorming this, it's going to ask you questions you wouldn't even thought of. So, and to help draw out the plan that best fits it, you don't have to know where to go or anything like that. It's like you're going to tell it exactly what you want it to do. The more in depth you are and the more direct you are in what you describe, the better it's going to build something that you want, right? The more likely it is you're going to be able to one-shot it. All right, so as you see right here, it's built out the plan for us. Okay, just kind of look through it and see, and we're just going to accept it. um you know all right, as y'all see right now, it's just building out everything. The good thing about this is you can just sit back and always put it in bypass permission mode, which just is going to work, and you don't have to answer things whenever it's working. It'll just resolve it on its own. So that's what I like to do. Like, as you see, this is almost completely built out, and it's only been maybe, I don't even know, 10 minutes, and I haven't done anything. I've honestly just looked on my phone the whole time. So okay, so as you see right here, essentially, um, let's look through everything. Okay, what I need to do. Okay. Get that API key. Okay. So I got the API key. I can't show you all this part. I pasted in the API key. Is there anything else I need to do or that you can do for me? All right. So this is telling us how to set this up so we can export this to Google Sheets. All of this right here, we just followed all these steps. That's all we did. Nothing complex, nothing hard. I know this may seem overcomplicated for everything, but it's really not. If y'all have any questions, join my school community, or if you want me to build a custom build for you, if you have a business or whatever, just comment business down below. Give me the links and show me where to open all this. I'm confused. See, just say that if you don't know what to do or where to go. Like, sometimes it'll be like, go here, go that. It's like, okay, like, yeah, I could go try to do all that, but there's no reason that, because it will literally give me the links to where I need to go. All right, look, let's see. It looks like it's built out everything and everything's done. Okay. Let's see. I didn't see anything on the sheet. Yes, can you fix it for me? All right, everything's fixed. All right, so here's the price listing, square foot. So let me ask it, why is only 6 showing up? Why is only 6 showing up? Only 6 listings are showing up. Okay. Now, okay, as you see, everything is built out, right? So now we could turn this into a workflow, right? An automation if we want to. Can we turn, that's what I'm gonna ask it. All right, and then I'll show y'all how that works. Can you run, wait. Can we make this an automation? All right, so the automation is live. It says I'm fully working. So it just ran. This is what the Google Sheet actually looks like, if y'all want to see, and what all the information it pulls. So, yeah, I will have this automation or this workflow in my school community. If y'all want to download it, I'll leave it in the link, and I'll leave it link in my bio if y'all want to download it. And yeah, if y'all are interested in working with me, join my school community, or if you're a business and want to work, just comment business down below and we can connect that way. Yeah.